Good afternoon. Thanks for joining us on this Tuesday, and we are looking at some fairly cloudy skies to kick off this lunchtime hour. Here's a live look at our Corwin Auto Skycam network in Fargo, looking downtown, and we're just going to deal with those gray and gloomy skies at least for a couple more hours until we see some rain. We're watching two areas of rain today. This band up here is in association with a cold front that is passing through, and as I was mentioning a few minutes ago, most of this is virga, or evaporating before it makes it to the ground, but there have been a few reports of some sprinkles here and there. And our second system I've been keeping an eye on is down to our south. This is the very northern edge of it, so we're not seeing that really move into the valley yet, but it will slowly progress to the north as we continue throughout this afternoon. Right now in Fargo, we're under that mostly cloudy sky. 50 degrees though, so temperatures are fairly mild. And it's a little breezy. Wind is out of the northeast at 12 miles per hour. Our sunrise today was at 7:24. Sunset will be at 7:45. And in Grand Forks, seeing a little more golden sunshine there. 49 degrees, feeling like 46 with a breeze out of the southeast at 7 miles per hour. Now, for your hour-by-hour forecast, we've got a lot going on. A lot of changes are going to be taking place between now and this time tomorrow. So still watching this cold front up to the north and west, bringing just a few sprinkles, maybe even a few flurries as well. Now let's turn your attention down to this southernmost system. It's going to take a couple of hours to really progress upwards to the north. So here we are by around drive time this evening. There's going to be a very sharp cutoff in our precipitation from around Foston through Fargo, Lisbon, and down towards Ellendale. I'll be quite honest with you, we could see just a couple sprinkles here, we could see nothing at all, we could see light rain showers along this very northern edge. Models are in a little bit of disagreement of just how far to the north and east this is going to push, or to the north and west rather. The better chance for maybe even some heavier rain is going to be down across the southern Red River Valley into portions of South Dakota, west central Minnesota, and through Lakes Country, Fergus Falls, Detroit Lakes, Wadena, down towards Alexandria. Now through the late night period is where we're going to see a bit of a transition. You start to see these yellows and pinks. That's indicating some either heavier rain or even that transition to snow. Temperatures are going to play a critical role in the type of precipitation that we are going to see overnight and into your Wednesday morning. So here we are past now, drive time tomorrow morning for that morning commute. You can still see a little bit of rain where the temperatures are warmer and the surface of the ground is warmer as well. So that's something to keep in mind. But where temperatures really fall right on that freezing mark is where we can see that transition into some wet, sloshy, sloppy snow. The better chance for that is in Lakes Country, Detroit Lakes, Wadena, Alexandria, maybe up towards Bemidji as well. That's where we'll see the better chance for some of that snowy transition before it's right on out of here through the afternoon hours. As for rainfall accumulation, some areas really need a good drink of water. Mostly out to the west where, I'm sorry, you're really not going to see much. Grand Forks, Jamestown, Ellendale, up towards Roseau, you're very likely to stay dry from this system. Where you see these light blue shades, we could see between a trace and a half an inch of accumulation. The green shades, a better chance between a half an inch and 1 inch of accumulation with higher amounts down to the south. As for snowfall, we're not expecting a lot, but this will be the slushy kind that will make roads sloppy for your morning commute between a trace and 1 inch from Bemidji, Detroit Lakes, Fergus Falls, and this right here is why we still have that first alert weather day in place for tomorrow. But for today, temperatures mostly in the 40s and 50s, along with those mostly cloudy skies. And take a look at that. What a vibrant shot of a backyard sunset in Hoople, North Dakota. Thank you so much, Paul, for uploading that photo to valleynewslive.com. Again, first alert weather day is in place for Lakes Country tomorrow for that sloppy morning commute with a little bit of light snow possible. We dry things up on Thursday. Sun comes back out, temperatures in the 40s. But then, Brian, we have another chance of some mixed showers, a little bit of rain, a little bit of flurries, maybe again a little bit of light snow as we head into Friday and Saturday before we dry things up again, and we could be back in the 50s as we head towards the start of next week. Is that mixed weather like you were just recommending? Or, I mean, you just have to be extra cautious and dress appropriately? Yeah, and spring forecasting is so much fun. I kind of love spring. Thank you, Summer. Well, straight ahead at noon, a congressman leaks pictures from inside a facility holding migrant children near the southern border. We'll have the latest on the situation next.